So here she is. She just wants to take. Oh, this is towards the end of her playing in the bumble. She's so funny. So Azalea was sitting in there, so then she's like, I have to sit in there now. What are you yelling at, Ellie? Oh, at Perrin? Can you say Perrin? Don't yell. Don't scream it. Yeah? Her gibberish is darn cute. Oh, really? What are you looking at now? No, Perrin's not gonna come over to you just because you're yelling at him. You're copying Grandma, huh? You're copying Bangwai, huh? No, Perrin doesn't come over to Bangwai like that either. She's so funny. Really, Ellie? That's not how you're supposed to sit on it. Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi. Hi, Ellie. You weirdo. Huh? It doesn't take much to entertain a toddler. You're so funny, Ellie. Okay. Say bye-bye. Huh? Die-die. Die-die.